Hi everyone. After a long absence, I'm posting this video, right? As part of CCBP program, I have learned Python and currently learning JavaScript. In my past videos, I have uploaded them using I build websites using HTML and CSS. Using HTML, I have provided the basic structure for the website, and using CSS, I have given the styling for them. But to make the websites dynamic and make them interact with the user, like giving the interactive experience to the user, we need to make it by using JavaScript. So in this video, I will show my first website which I have built using some JavaScript concepts. Without further ado, let's get into the video now. So first I'll demonstrate my website to you. There is a bulb here which is on state, and there's a cat, and in the bottom we have a card. Here the status part is switched on. Like the bulb is on, right? So it is showing switched on. Now if I click off, now the bulb is in the off state and the cat body is not visible, only the eyes of the cat were visible. And coming to the cat, it is showing the switched off, and the off button is changed to gray. Since we selected it, it changed to gray. Before it was in red color. And the on button is in green color. So again, if I click on, the off button came to its original state, that is in red color, and the on button changed to gray. Again, the status part is changed to like switched on. So to make this interact, like if you are clicking on this, the website is changing, like it is interacting how the user is clicking. To make those all changes, we need to use JavaScript. So without any further delay, I'm going to the code now. From now, I'll only focus on the JavaScript part, since the HTML and CSS part I have already done in the previous video. So using the HTML concepts, I have added an image. This is the bulb, which is an on-state image. And next, the cat body image is added here. Next, in this whole container, I will inspect and show you easily. This is the bulb part, cat image. And next, coming to this container, I have used deflex, justify content center, and padding 5, padding top 5. And now, in this card, I have added a text like a heading tag that is switched on. Initially, I have given the switched on state. Next, I have added two buttons, that is on and off. So by using styling, by using CSS, have styled them accordingly. This is the initial state. If you run the program, this is what the initial thing will appear for every user. So how to update it, how to change to interactive, we need to use JavaScript. To use JavaScript, like what things are changing here, if you observe, um, this part is changing, and off and on is changing, bulb is changing, and cat body is not visible when you off the light, right? So for all, you need to give IDs. So for image, for bulb image, have given its unique ID like bulb image, and for cat, the unique ID is cat image. And now for switch it state, if it is on, it will show switched on. So for that switch state, I have given the ID as switch state. And next, the off and on buttons, I have given ID similarly. So now let's go to the interesting part, that is JavaScript. So in the JavaScript, we can get the element by using ID by using this command document dot get element by ID. Okay, so first will come from the top. So if you off the switch, what happened? The off bulb should be image should be visible for us. This is the URL for the off bulb image. So what I have done is I have changed. I have by using document.getElement by ID, have bought this ID of the on image bulb as next source. I have bought to JavaScript, and next have changed it to this URL. Like I have changed the bulb URL to this like .src. You can change the URL of the image. Similarly, I have changed the cat image to only eyes should be visible for the cat. This is only the eyes part image of the cat. So I've changed it. Next, the content in the switch state, if the function switch off, the content should be shown here as switched off. So by using dot content, text content, I have changed it to the switch off. Next, if the off the switch, what should happen? The red color of the off button should change to gray. So on button will be changed to green. So this is the hex code of green color. Have changed to background. But for changing the colors, we need to use dot style dot background color to have changed to the green. Similarly, dot style dot background color for the off switch, it should as it's selected, it should be changed to gray. So this is what the things need to be happen if you're off the switch. Similarly, if you're on the switch, what should be happen? Again, the bulb, the on bulb state image URL should be pasted here, and the whole cat body image should be pasted here, and what the content, the switch state, the switched on, it should be visible, right? So text content in the switch state should be changed to switched on, and off switch background color need to be changed to red, and on switch background color should again come to gray color. Yeah, so we have created the two functions, but how to call them from HTML? Now let's see that. So how to link them? We can link them using on click function. If the person clicks off button, then switch off function should start working. Else if the person click on function, like on button, then switch on function should be activated. So this is how you can link the HTML and JavaScript by using on click function, right? Hope you like my website, and for further websites, please follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you.